An old lizard, tough guy. His push-ups show off his strength, warning his rivals to keep off his tree. So he gets more food and more females. But not everyone's getting the message. An intruder, with his eye on the tough guy's tree. Has he got the moves to muscle in? Not bad. The tough guy needs to show him who's boss. Behold. The ultimate lizard power move. But two can play at that game. There's only one way to settle this. But while they do battle, the megastorm is closing in. They bolt for the treetops to escape the inevitable flood. Anole lizards cling to high branches, lose their grip, and they lose everything. The tough guy's future hangs by a fingernail. The champ has kept his grip and his territory.